Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Razer headsets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the HyperX Cloud Alpha gaming headset. This headset is a strong contender in the gaming headset market, offering HyperX's dual-chamber driver technology for clearer sound separation and less distortion. Its frequency response of 15 Hz to 25,000 Hz ensures crisp audio, making it ideal for competitive gaming or immersive adventures. The detachable braided cable and noise-canceling microphone add versatility, while its compatibility with PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch means it works effortlessly across multiple platforms. The design features an aluminum frame for durability and HyperX's signature comfort-focused ear cups. The Cloud Alpha is lightweight and built for long gaming sessions, with memory foam ear cushions that feel great even after hours of use. While the detachable microphone is effective for clear communication, it might not match the clarity of newer mic technologies found on premium models. Still, its overall build quality is reliable. This headset is ideal for gamers who value comfort and platform flexibility. However, it lacks some advanced features like wireless connectivity or surround sound. Pros include excellent sound quality, multi-platform compatibility, and robust build, while cons include the absence of wireless options and slightly dated design. At its price point, this is a solid entry-level choice for gamers looking for trustworthy performance. At number 4, we have the Razer blackshark V2X gaming headset, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at $41.57, this headset punches well above its weight in terms of features. It offers software-enabled 7.1 surround sound, powered by custom-tuned 50mm drivers that deliver precise positional audio. The passive noise-canceling ear cups ensure a focused gaming experience by blocking outside distractions. While the Razer HyperClear cardioid mic enhances voice clarity during gameplay or calls, the design is lightweight at just 240 grams, making it ideal for extended gaming sessions without causing discomfort. Memory foam ear cushions provide a snug fit, although they might not feel as premium as higher-end models. The blackshark V2X works across multiple platforms like PC, PS5, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch via its 3.5mm jack. But note that surround sound is limited to Windows 10 users. This headset is perfect for gamers on a budget who want solid sound performance without breaking the bank. Pros include affordability, surround sound capabilities, and lightweight design, while cons include limited surround sound compatibility and slightly less premium materials. It's a fantastic choice for casual gamers or those looking for an entry-level headset. At number 3, we have the Razer Barracuda X Chroma wireless gaming headset. Priced at $110, this mid-range headset offers an impressive blend of versatility, design, and functionality. It features Razer Smart Switch dual wireless technology, allowing seamless transitions between 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth connections. This makes it perfect for gamers who need a headset that works equally well for gaming and on-the-go use. The 40mm drivers, although smaller than other models, deliver balanced highs, mids, and lows for immersive sound quality. The Barracuda X Chroma stands out with its lightweight ergonomic design at 285 grams and breathable memory foam ear cushions for comfort during long play sessions. Adding to its appeal is the Chroma RGB lighting on the ear cups, which offers customizable aesthetics synced with over 300 games and supported devices. The detachable HyperClear cardioid mic ensures clear communication, while the 70-hour battery life means fewer interruptions. This headset is ideal for gamers seeking a wireless solution at a reasonable price, with the added bonus of Bluetooth compatibility for mobile use. Pros include dual wireless connectivity, lightweight design, and exceptional battery life. while cons include slightly smaller drivers and fewer advanced mic features compared to higher-end models. It's a great choice for versatility and everyday gaming. Taking the number 2 spot is the Razer blackshark V2 Hyperspeed Wireless Esports Headset. This headset is designed for competitive gaming, featuring Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology for ultra-low latency performance. The 280-gram design is incredibly lightweight, ensuring comfort during marathon gaming sessions. Its 50mm Triforce titanium drivers deliver crisp audio quality, with individually tuned highs, mids, and lows for a balanced and immersive sound experience. The hyper-clear super wideband mic ensures precise voice communication, making it perfect for esports professionals. The noise-isolating ear cups with ultra-soft memory foam shut out distractions, while the 70-hour battery life with USB-C charging provides extended use without frequent recharges. This headset is tailored for PC gamers, but can also work with other platforms via Bluetooth. Pros include lightweight design, esports-grade audio clarity, and long battery life. Cons include its higher price point and limited cross-platform optimization compared to other Razer models. This is the ideal choice for competitive gamers who demand premium performance and comfort during intense sessions. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Razer blackshark V2 Pro Wireless Gaming Headset 2023 edition. Priced at $179.99, this premium headset offers a feature set tailored for professional gamers and audiophiles. With Razer Hyperspeed wireless technology, you get ultra-low latency gaming and perfectly synced audio. Its Triforce titanium 50mm drivers deliver incredible clarity, with individually tuned audio profiles for highs, mids, and lows. Pro-tuned FPS audio profiles ensure you hear every in-game detail, giving you a competitive edge. The design includes noise-isolating ear cups with ultra-soft memory foam for all-day comfort. The detachable hyper-clear super wideband mic captures voices with incredible detail, making communication with teammates crystal clear. The headset's 70-hour battery life and USB-C fast charging keep you in the game longer. It supports multi-platform use, but its primary focus is on PC gaming. Pros include outstanding audio quality, premium comfort, and long battery life, while cons include its high price and limited compatibility with certain platforms. This headset is the ultimate choice for serious gamers who want the best in performance, design, and durability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.